Hey guys, it's Ethan with Terminal.com, and today we're going to take a quick look at the collaborative nature of Terminal's IDE. So this is pretty cool. The IDE that we have here is totally collaborative, can be used to interface with multiple users on either a project or something like a coding interview. You can spin up an environment and give somebody else access to it, and then see what each other is doing as you're working. I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. You can see that I've got an environment spun up here. And in order to share access to it, all I have to do is come over here to the Share Access button, click it, and then type in the email address of the terminal user that I want to share access with. Below, in the port number box, we're just going to go ahead and type IDE. That will give them access to the editor. And just click Grant Access. You can see now that my list has been updated with the the names of people who are associated with this account and have access to different parts of it. And now all I have to do in order to get them in here and editing is just click on this URL and share it with them. So I've got this user that we just shared access with open in a different window, and you'll be able to see the effect of my work there on the screen here. So as soon as you share that URL with them, they've got full access to the IDE, and they can actually come in and start working immediately. So you can see how, even though I'm not typing in the screen that we're focusing on, all the changes are reflected there, and you can even see the result of commands that are input. The other thing you'll be able to see is any pages that are opened in the browser. So the browser is totally collaborative, and you can see, let's see if we just go to Google. You'll see that this will pull up the address in any page that loads in here as well. The other thing, real quick, will be the file tree. So the file tree is collaborative, and not only can you see, not only will they have access to the same files as you, but as they navigate their file tree, you'll be able to see what they're doing, which helps to keep everybody on the same page in terms of collaboration. One last thing that I would recommend, if you're going to be using this for some kind of coding interview, it's a good idea to go ahead and share access to all of the ports as well. And you do that by coming over here to the Share Port or Share Access tab, typing in their email address once again, and then just using this star symbol to give them access to all the ports. And you can lock this down to individual ports by simply typing in, individual port names. But this star will grant access to all of them. Go ahead and click Grant Access. You will see that reflected in the list here, and you're off and running. So that's a quick taste of the collaborative nature of Terminal's IDE. I hope this was helpful. Get out there, play with it. Let us know what you think, what you did with it. And until next time, thanks for tuning in.